guys, this is Billy Tate and Sam Tate, and we're coming to you again for day number 10 of the 30 Days in Front of the Camera Challenge. We have got something special for you today. What are we going to do?
I don't know if it's for them, it's for us. We're going to the apple orchards.
Yeah, we're just bringing you along. This is really about us.
This is all about us.
But we're going to head on up to Oak Glen above Yucaipa at the base of Big Bear, and there's a bunch of apple orchards and cider mills up there, and we're going to go try to find the best apple orchard and cider mill where we can get the best spiced hot cider and hot cinnamon donuts. And we're going to take you along. And so we're going to check in along the way, but for now, we're going to take off out of here, and we're going to bring you guys along. We'll get a couple shots along the way, a little montage of the travel up, and then we'll start this tour. So,
but adulting first.
Adulting first. We have to go run by the city hall and get our business license straightened out for our main business. So we're probably not going to take any photos of that, but we might. And it's pretty neat architecture, but we're going to take off out of here. So come along and let's go check this out. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye. Guys, here we are at Riley's. We got the hot cider and the apple crumb pie. We're going to try that out. Have a sip. Tell me what you think. Now, we're used to the ones in Michigan, so this is something different for us.
It's sweet.
It's sweet?
Mm-hmm.
It's good? Mm-hmm. How's the spice?
It's good. Not too overwhelming.
Good. All right. Let's try a little sip of this myself.
You have to sip on it.
Here it is.
It's hot.
Yeah, very good. You can see in there, you can see the spice sticking to the side of the cup.
More spicy than the ones that we get in Michigan.
Yeah, that's right. It's all right. Let's try this pie now.
Sorry.
See what you think of that. It's good pie. Is it warm? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Let's get a bite of this pie. I'm a pie guy. Nice slices of apple, the crumb top with the brown sugar and the butter, that's good. I think that's excellent. Now, I think the key is to chase it with this. Highly recommended. Riley's Farm in Oak Glen, up above Yucaipa. Stop number 1. All right, we'll go on to the next one. This place is definitely a little bit busier. This is the Oak Glen Cider Company. They've got all kinds of things going on here. Let's go in and check the shop out.
Apple cider and donuts.
That's the one.
Figured it out.
We finally found the apple cider and donuts. Let's go have some. There you go. Is that the way? Mm-hmm. It's a little cinnamon sugar on those bad boys?
Mm. Yeah, that's it.
That's worth the trip, huh?
Yeah, that was it.
That's the whole reason we came, is for that. Let's get one.
I think they're apple cider donuts, though. But they're good.
Light, flaky, with the right amount of cinnamon and sugar. All right, we're gonna eat these. Bye. I said the donuts were good. The cider's good. I said the cider's good. Well, guys, there you have it. Sam and I had a very much deserved day off to ourselves today, and we took the time to go up to Oak Glen and go visit all the cider mills up there. Got some shots of B-roll and some of the shenanigans that went on there today. Once again, guys, this is the 30 days in front of the camera challenge, and it's just about creating content. I'm not even putting that much effort into it. My objective today was to spend time with my wife and have a good time and see her smile. That's my #1 goal every day that I have, and that's what I needed to do today. But I made a commitment to continue on this, as we talked about yesterday. This is going to be career number 7. This is day number 10, and this is getting easier every single day for me to get on here. I'm having a ton of fun making these videos. My wife's involved. She's my biggest cheerleader and my biggest fan, and she is coming along on this ride with me, and we're excited to be able to just give you a little glimpse of some of the fun things that we do here in California. We live in such a diverse area and such a beautiful, beautiful geographical spot, and there's so many things to do that we could do this every single day if we wanted to and never run out of ideas. Speaking of which, guys, today, while we were up there, I bought a couple of little pocket knives, and I might make a video where we go over all these. I have a thing about collecting these little micro knives, and I think a man should have one of these at all times. If you're, you know, a man that has your man card, you should have a pocket knife on there and be ready for any type of a situation. And we also got in the mail a 7 Artisans Canon EF to Sony E-mount adapter, and I've got back over here, I've got a ton of Canon lenses which I use with the Blackmagics and our Canon 5D Mark IV, but I thought it would be interesting to take a look at this and go over it and see how it works on the Sony. This is the EV10 Mark II, and right now we're on the Sigma 30mm f1.4, which is a fantastic lens, but I've got all this different glass, and I love gear, so we're going to try to make some of that stuff work. But guys, thank you so much for coming along with us here again today. I'm keeping up the commitment. Let me know if you're on a 30 days in front of the camera challenge, or if you have a different challenge that you're rising to meet, because once again, our habits lead to routines, which eventually turns into a lifestyle. And that's what we're doing. We want to bring more content to you. End of day 10. We'll be on to number 11 tomorrow. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day, and God bless.